everybody. I am so tired today. It's 3:46 and I have been doing a lot of stuff on and off. Doing this one intern work. Send it. Okay.
We're on our walk. Content, baby, content.
Guys, I'm like losing ideas. We have 10 more days of vlogmas and I'm like stuck. So help a sister out and leave some of your suggestions down below. We're on an evening walk with my sister, my dad, and my other sister right here. This is the shakiest video you'll see, so I'm gonna stop recording. Bye. We, Sandra and I, are a team. My mom and Catherine are another team, and we will be... Okay, Sandra. We are a little angsty today. 4.
뭐야? 그럼 너네 둘이 합쳐서
Just watch us play.
노는 거야.
Can you not be in my group?
The com's over here.
10. 나 10이야.
Let me show you what I'm thinking. Should we go here so we get this U? Oh. Or do we go here and go like deep on the namu? You see that? Mm-hmm. Or do we go one step over and go for this ship ill because we don't have a ship ill?
화이팅! 화이팅! 유치해. 엄마 먼저 해.
You. What's up?
나 6.
And then we can do one here, one here.
I think we need to do 2 of us too. Because then,
야. 그러면 이거는 여기다 눌러.
No, 그러면 안 되지. We need to upgrade.
What is your guys's? How many do you guys have? 1, 2, 3.
Guys, let's do that. Wait, what are we at? What's our point situation?
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17!
6, 8, 10, 11, 13,
We did what? I think we did. Yeah.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
잠깐만. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15잖아.
Longest road.
제일 긴 거까지야? 근데 우리는 잠깐만 하나 둘셋 넷 다 이거면 14지? 15점이야 15점?
17점까지거든요.
이거 너네 긴 거를 몇 점 했어? 6점! 긴 것도 할 거야? 그렇지 알았어 이겨야지 내가 이겼어 한 판 더 해
Wow.
한 판 더 해 한 판 더 해 야 더 재밌다 야
더 재밌어.
근데 이렇게 하니까 재밌다 어?
We now present a shoe unboxing. Hey. Very nice. Okay, ready? Nice packaging. It is really cute. Okay. What's your cheers? Cheers. You too. What size did you get? I got 5.5 I think. Well, they're like kind of heavy. Yeah, I got 5 of women's. Oh, I see. What did you get? 하나 더 있어? Yeah.
나도 신어봐도 돼? 그 왜 그 하얀 끈은 뭐야?
하얀 끈 그냥 온 거야.
나는 근데 이 약간 올라오는 거 해도 예쁘겠다. 그 예쁘다.
I think it's okay. My sisters and I filmed a sister tag that will actually be uploaded tomorrow, and here's a little quick snippet. I am here today with my sisters. Introduce yourselves. I'm Sandra.
Hi, I'm sister.
What's your funniest memory together?
Also, do you guys know that her real name is Christine, but we call her Kristin?
One thing you can do that your sisters can't. She's so good at a hammer.
Sure. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
What? Me?
I agree. I know it's a lot of people's finals week right now, so good luck with finals, and I hope that you guys finish strong. You guys can do it. I believe in you. Today is the 15th. We have 10 more days until Vlogmas comes to an end. So I'm gonna try my best to keep up with the content, and we'll see how it goes. Honestly, it's somewhat hard. The energy needs to be there, the motivation needs to be there, the creative mind needs to be there. There's so much. I'm just happy that I am being challenged and you guys are enjoying the challenge. So with that being said, I'm gonna close out today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching day 15. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 16, which is the sister tag with my sisters. And good night, everyone. Love you.